Hopefully that shows up. I don't know if it does or not. But this is how you shake a swarm out of a tree. And I missed the box. Let's see. Most of the bees, don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. It's showing up. Most of the bees landed right there. But they will congregate to the hive once they get their pheromones going. That would be the Nasonov pheromone. Once they get that all blowing out in the air, fanning their butts up, then they will start to go inside. Actually, you can see them doing it right now. Well, you can hear them. At least I can hear them. I don't know how well the sound transfers. But I should be able to see some of them marching in. I don't know, my camera doesn't really look that great today for some reason. I see some drones. Queen may still be up in the tree, although I don't know how well y'all can see. Yeah, there you go, right there. The one right on the little ridge with that kind of white spot up by its butt. That's Nasonov pheromone fanning. It's telling the other girls, hey, we should come here. And usually when you shake a swarm out into a box, they'll do that because, like, hey, the queen's in here. And there she is. There she is. Right there.